is for attention, they crave it so bad. B is for blunders that make us all glad. C is for cringe, they post without shame. D is for drama, they're always in the game.
What's the LolCow?
Well, let me explain. An internet fool who brings endless pain. Wait, no laughs! They milk themselves dry for our online glee. Step by step like ABC. Now you see. E is for epic fails, they trip on their feet. F is for forums where trolls come to eat. G is for gaffes, outrageous and wild. H is for hilarity, served up mild to wild.
What's the LolCow?
Don't be one, my friend. They rage and they post, but it never ends. Milk for the lulz like a cow in a meme. Step by step like ABC. Living the dream. I is for internet fame of the wrong kind. J is for jokes that blow up their mind. K is for keyboard warriors poking the bear. L is for laughs, they're everywhere. M is for milking, that's what we do. N is for never learning it's true. O is for outrage, they flip out online. P is for posts that cross every line. What's a LolCow? Spectacle brand. Q is for Cody, R is for Ren. S is for screenshots, safe for the win. T is for trolls who keep drawing 'em in. Yeah. U is for honor where they don't get the joke. Oh yeah. V is for viral, they're always broke. Way broke in the brain. W is for why me, they cry out loud. X, Y, Z, LolCow, take a bow. Now you know the ABCs of the LolCow scene. Stay smart online. Don't be mean or green.